Hello friends, here is my next 10XU. I really love the brand for two reasons. One is Sachin, second one is the brand quality by itself. It's amazing shoes. Here is the next one. What are all the things I get? I get a bag, recyclable bag. Yeah, this is nice, good. What next? Let me open it. Wow, this is very nice. Very nice. Lightweight, it's not so heavy. Lightweight, and the provisions for you to add on anything like spikes is not there in this shoe, but it is really good in terms of grips, and the color is very good, and everything is really nice. That's lightweight. That's the best thing that we need to notice about it. It's not so heavy. The last one was slightly heavy. Whichever I had, last one was slightly heavier, but this time this is very light. Very good shoe. I hope you all like it. Try it out. You can buy it from the 10XU website itself, and this is not very expensive. This comes around 2,800 rupees or something like that. So it's a good shoe to buy. Thank you.